All right, now. Sunday, 14/04, 44 seconds, year 2024, 5th month, May 26th day. And went back here and decided to top the growing buds on the top of this one tree that looks like this stuff here. It looks like this would be one of them trees that'll grow to 130 foot. This one here. So I had already chopped it down a few years back, but the buds were growing higher, so I didn't want to. I wanted to keep it short. So that's bottom line. Keep it short. Don't give it any more incentive to think that, yay, we're gonna grow to 120 foot instead of 130. Through the years, you get one of them 130 foot fuckers, it'll reach the fucking house. So yeah, I just went back here and cleaned up a little bit and got some of those, nipped off some of the limbs with a more even cut, because that was the first trimming was done at 2 a.m. with a regular handsaw, and they would just drop and rip. So keeps the tree healthier when they have a nice even cut on them. So and on the way back there was a brother back there passing by, and we was having a little conversation, and he offered some of the good stuff. So brother said, well, I have some for later. So, oh shit, it all fell out. So we got a load of good stuff right here. Since how it's a holiday, Memorial Day, and all that shit, and it all got mixed in with the fell out of the container, got mixed in with the pocket lint. Fuck. I don't see much oil, but he said he put some in there. I can smell the stuff though. So anyway, get the going here. So yeah, so we got a load of good stuff in here. Kind of sort of in there. Not the best picture. Yeah, let's turn it and get away. It's got a fucking pocket lint in it. He put the oil part in the corner, but it's hard to tell. Hard to tell. He was at first wanting to give me a lot, but I told him, I said, nah, it's too much. I said, I'll just end up throwing it out eventually. Anyway, I don't know where the fuck the oil went. There's just a little bit of oil right there, but he said he must have pressed it into the weed. That's some quite pungent stuff, and this is the chemical weed though. This is the chemical. I can smell the chemical in it. Or else it's just that it could be that. I watched a YouTube video and they said that the weed that they're growing these days is fucking. Here's the there it is. There's the oil one. So there's that. There's the pipe. And here's the one that looks like it's got the oil on it. It's hard to tell if it's oil or if it's just crystal. It's got a lot of crystal. The color of the oil is the same color as the crystal, but that would be that. Yeah, and this one looks like he pressed some of the oil into it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So there's that. Then I'm just gonna grab this little bit of scrape right here, a little bit of oil. He called it dabs. Little dab will do ya. So I'll grab the little bit of oil that's on there, and then I'll put it on this one, just in case that's not the oil, but it does look like the oil. It looks like the same stuff. And shove it down the hole. Anyway, so yeah, I was wanting some weed yesterday. I was in the mood, man, and then all of a sudden, look what showed up universally. Some weed. So I'm gonna go put this. I'm gonna put this weed away. So then I'll then come back out here. Put this in the container. Put it in the glass container. So put it in here. There it is in there. So I'll probably end up, after I smoke that shit, I am definitely, more than likely, going to be in the mood for fast food and ice cream then. So it'll be a $25 day no matter fucking what. Or $15 day. You know, sometimes just gotta fucking celebrate, you know. It's always nice to be able to smoke in the sunshine. All right. Bottoms up. This is the shitty one. It doesn't light. Hold on. Let's set this down before it ends up fucking falling out of the... It's the red lighter that's the new one. This is the old one. It's not sparking up real nice, so... There we are, this one. Yeah. All right. Just a little at a time. You have to remember that. Just a little at a time. I felt a little bit in the lung on that, so it's not too bad. Mix it up with some pleasant thoughts. Not to let it set in the lungs for that burn cough sensation, but just to let it out naturally. Good-looking girl on the bike path over there. Being with the thoughts and the surroundings at the same time. So yeah, this morning's video was all about being too fucking anxious. So yeah, a little oil is just kind of like hanging down here. See the oil right here. Get this camera around. See the oil right here, right down there. So I want to pull that oil up that's down there and put it on the bud before it just melts and slides all over down. There. I got it right on top of the bud now. See that? Just get the zoom in on that. It's hard to see because the sun's shining, but brother just needs to walk. He's feeling more relaxed now. He just needs to walk over here to the shade, and there it is. So remember when those thought anxieties really just start taking hold, just to fucking catch that shit, just to catch those fucking thoughts. Naturally, but this helps. That was lungy on that one, but not too bad. That's where the thyroid gland's at. This is also the area where all the lymph fluid drains into, from the armpits, both armpits, down the sides of the neck, down the temples and the side of the ear, under the chin. And I and also likes to be included is there could be lymph rivers in the eye sockets, because it likes to hang around sockets, the lymph fluid, the rivers. Wow, that's a revelation right there. The lymph rivers like to hang around the sockets. The thyroid gland. All right, so the thyroid gland. There is secret knowledge with all these organs inside the body. Secret knowledge. And just sitting here wondering, pondering the relationships between all the body parts, all the bodies that the body is. Everything's a miniature body. Miniature body, the thyroid gland. The big body, that what's seen as a human. Alright. Serious, deep fucking thoughts. God fuck to share the revelations. Oh my fucking God. vest. Well, all I can say, this is nice high, folks. And there's all kinds of revelations going on. Fuck. Deep ones, too. Steven Seagal. The connection to learning more universal knowledge. He plays guitar, I play guitar. I fucking sing. I think he might sing too. To get to know someone for who they really are instead of what the to get to know someone for who they really are instead of the media portrayal. I think there seems to be enough weed. I'm high enough. This is virtually as high as it gets, so I can say I'm high. High pertaining to consciousness. At the top, the conscious mountain, looking down at everything. And so, that being said, feeling like a fucking bicycle ride. Brother's feeling like, but he's got the chainsaw shit out here, see? There's a plug for the phone. Good. There's the sign. No bicycle ride. A seat in the backyard and wrestle. You work at that too hard. Pee-pee needs standing and your caca needs cooking. I am your mere reflection, Yogi, looking at you. I know you're sad with Guru, and Samantha Fox slam thy vakunkta. But listen up. Everything I just said is a testa. A testamenta. Listen up. Before that nuts get chopped. You think I'm kidding, don't you? Do you imagine? God, that's like a fucking practicing a Hollywood fucking part right there. In the fucking backyard. Fuck. The Sicily brother is now entering the stage zone. Fuck, the stage zone's being hit. Now realizing, okay, the brother's high. Publicly high, too. The Sicily brother's publicly high. but still connected to umbilical cord. See. So, in order to keep the flavor in the stage event, in order to keep the stage event going, today's staged event just needs to adjust the sound engineer's volume to a much less dragonly, fire-breathing display of magnificence. Young one. We know you are a strong young one. But your strength surpasses all of the gases. The Hollywood movie. Oh my God. The ventriloquial. Now hold on. We have enough battery powers to bring the grips. Bring the grips, please. Bring the grips. For that wide mouth meat that's swaddled in. Bring the dicks. The dicks. Alright, so being with the part, not getting wrapped up in the part. See that? Living everything that wants to be lived. Then coming out of that thought. Because the thought or the story is dominated in the script right there in the present moment. Okay, this is getting back to being high. Equalizing the volume. To speak at a lower volume, which is much more healthier and healthier. Much more healthier and healthier. It's much more healthier and healthier. To speak with a sound engineer. Scotty, beam me up, please. I need to... Scotty. To be with the vision when sitting down... But first, brother needs something for the dry mouth. Got the comb. Dry mouth. Less talking, too much neurotic thoughts. That's what those are, all that talking like that. Forcing the body into it. And another fruit. There, I see. I caught it. I caught the Hollywood act coming on strong. That's when it comes on too strong. So. Eating too much food fucks shit up. The equilibrium. And to be in connection with that. What the body feels like when it eats too much food. even if it's health food. And there's different health foods. And each health food is charged a particular way. It's not all the same. Where did the rest of that fucking banana go? Brother just had a banana. Oh, fell on the ground. It was on the chair. They placed the banana. So here the brother is sitting down for once and enjoying the chopped wood laying on the ground. And friends are like planets. Revolving around the sun. Keynote speaker. Satisfy the public. So don't want to get the screen fucking too hot. It's been 45 minutes, so yeah, I think I'm just gonna shut the recording down for now, so fuck it. Later.